saying, Zulu?
Saying these things are JBL, yeah. I just love it.
JBL, so you love JBL speaker, right?
Of course, it's my favorite one.
뭐 보이는 저도 모아서 거기서 unboxing of TV, HISENSE official TV of UEFA Euro 2020. Okay, so everyone is excited to unbox the HISENSE TV, which is brought from Kolkata yesterday. The owner of the TV. So this is Mr. Bright.
Hello, today we're gonna open this TV, new TV, so let's start opening.
Okay, let's see the unboxing of this TV. It's HISENSE company, UEFA Euro 2020 official TV of Euro 2020. It's 55-inch. The length of the TV is 55-inch. It's going to be an amazing TV.
139 centimeter.
It's 139 centimeter. Yeah, you can see this. That is the stand, right? Okay. So much noise. Wow, it's amazing. Are you excited? Yes. Wow, this is amazing. 139 centimeter, 55-inch. This is HISENSE TV.
Why JBL?
These are the nuts. Screw.
누가 보면서
Amazing, it has a smooth texture. Okay, this is the TV stand.
Thanks, Ma. Have blown up.
It's almost fixing now. Let us take a look.
So this is HISENSE TV. So
Super.
how is it? How is it? अच्छा है? Okay. Okay, thank you.
Uploading pregnancy.
Yes.
One day.
Do subscribe, like, and share. Thank you guys for the support. Thank you for watching this video, and I sure that will make a better video. Thank you. Bye. Peace.